Imagine your organization is a bustling town and someone just brought in a massive, powerful new piece of machinery. When we start using artificial intelligence, we are bringing an incredibly capable tool into our community, but the engine introduces risks we have to manage. Some of these come from inside our own town walls. Do the operators have the right skills? Is there a strong culture of safety? Who is actually responsible for making sure the machine doesn't overheat? Other risks come from the world outside. If the way we use our new machine breaks the laws of the county or state, our town could face serious fines or lose the trust of everyone living there. You wouldn't hand the keys to a machine this powerful to one person and hope they figure it out alone. Managing this level of power requires the whole community to work together to build safety nets. Safety becomes a shared burden. To protect everyone, the neighbors have to sit down at the table and trade knowledge openly. Before you even think about turning that engine on, you need a master plan. Think of this as the town's manual for overseeing the work. A strong plan relies on 3 layers of protection. The first layer is the operators and builders on the front lines. Since they use the tool every day, they check for glitches and errors as they work. A second group stands back from the noise. These safety guides set the rules and monitor from a distance. Finally, a third group moves around the perimeter, the checkers. Their job is to verify that operators and guides are actually doing what they promised. Part of the plan is following the law. You can think of the law as a rigid measuring stick. It tells you the absolute minimum you have to do to stay out of trouble. But we also have our own values, our moral compass. This is our commitment to being fair and honest, even when the law hasn't caught up to the technology yet. If you only use the measuring stick to do the bare minimum, you might build a machine that is legal but still hurts people. A safe town needs both the ruler and the compass to succeed. The rules for these machines are changing fast. To stay ready, the town leaders practice looking over the horizon, spotting new rules and guidelines while they're still far away. For instance, these flags remind us that Europe is building a major new set of laws for these tools. If our town wants to trade with them, we have to start preparing our safety checks now. We also follow rules from the teams that keep hiring fair, like the ones represented by this seal. They make sure we don't use these machines to make unfair decisions about who gets a job. Since we can't fix everything at once, we prioritize. We focus on the heavy boulders, problems that could really hurt someone, and push the smaller pebbles aside. Managing those boulders takes an organized team. A committee setting the big rules, a review board inspecting specific projects, and a manager keeping a list. We also have to be careful when we rent a tool from an outside partner. If that tool causes harm, our town is still the one held responsible. You can't hire someone else to carry your accountability. Because of that, safety isn't a one-time check at the beginning. We have to keep inspecting the machine from the day we design it until the day we finally turn it off. This kind of constant, steady care is what makes a town truly ready for the future. It's a habit, not a one-off event. Eventually, these safety checks stop feeling like a special project. They just become a normal part of the town's daily routine, just like checking the water or the power lines. When you reach this point, you are always ready for an inspection. You don't have to panic when a visitor arrives to check your work because you've been keeping your records clean all along. When you stay organized, all your proof and testing results lock right into place. You can show an inspector exactly how you've kept the machine safe without having to scramble for answers. What started as a complicated, scary new engine is now a tool that is understood, organized, and safe for everyone to use. The technology will keep changing, but the way we handle it stays the same. It's about being honest, helping each other, and looking out for our neighbors. We are all learning how to build these safety nets together. If you're ready to help, there is always a seat at the table.